Hello, my name is Mitch Flohr from InkMap, and today I want to show you how to use the alphabetic index for hotels, museums and so on inside an InkMap. And let's find a hotel in Dresden. This is the cover of the InkMap. There's some general information, and on the next page there's an overview of all indexes. All functionality of InkMaps are covered in a number of video tutorials which you can find on inkmap.com. But today we want to find a hotel, so let's click on hotels. You can see there's a selection of hotels in each InkMap, and they are ordered alphabetically. There's the name, the street, and then where available we also have the phone number. They're not always available, but let's for example look for the youth hostel, which is here the Jugendherberge in Dresden. I just click on C4, and this brings me straight into the part C4 of the map, which is where the youth hostel is situated. If I want to go somewhere else, I can also use the inbuilt navigation of Kindle, and with swiping, it's a bit of an awkward angle to swipe, but I can go through the whole list. And here the last one is, for example, Villa Serapinum. If I click on the G8, I jump again to the map section in InkMap where this hotel is situated. You can see here that this is the street where you can find it. If I need more details on the streets, I can then click off the details, which actually makes the street names appear a little bit bigger for easier navigation. There are more video tutorials and access to all the maps in our Amazon shop on inkmap.com. Thank you.